Many engineers or many people say that it is impossible to change Type-C charging point with candle. But in today's video, I'm going to prove those people wrong. It is possible to change Type-C charging point with candle. Just watch. After rubbing paste on the affected charging point, you on your candle. But after you on your candle, don't near the candle too much so that it will not burn those plastic in the mouth of that charging point. Watch it carefully. So you just spray that paste. After spraying that paste, you allow it to melt. Allow it to melt properly before moving it. Just watch. Okay, just watch. Just watch how I'm doing it. Good. That downboard is BG6, which is pop 8. Look, you're seeing it? Yeah. You allow it to melt well. So now let me fix another one. That is a new Type-C charging point. So you clean it. If you want to add lead, you add lead. In fact, this charging point is the simplest charging point ever to fix. I've on my candle. Good. That is it. You allow it to melt. If it melts, you press it gently. Don't too much near the candle so that it will not burn those plastic in the mouth of that charging point. Just allow it. Allow it. Yeah. Just allow it. Yeah, it has melted. Just press it gently. So it is possible to change Type-C charging point with candle. Look at the work. Very neat and clean. You are seeing it. Are you seeing the work? Very neat and clean. So it is possible to change Type-C charging point with candle. No allow them whine you. Use wetin you get. Fix the charging point. But when you are doing it, do it very neat. So I hope this video have convinced you that it is possible to change Type-C charging point with candle, abi? So this is a recap of the video. I'm still showing you how to fix Type-C charging point with candle. That's a recap of what I just explained to you people engineers. So that is it. So if this video helps a lot, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, follow me on TikTok, like my post, share the posts. I hope this video helps a lot. See you in my next video. Bye. So I hope I've been able to convince you that it is possible to change Type-C charging point with candle. Yeah, that is it. Your boy Vitex Communication. See you in my next video. Bye.